Here's the latest, and you've got to be kidding, weather forecast from the National Weather Service in Grand Forks. Another possibility of near blizzard conditions across the region. 30 to 50% chance across all of North Dakota into northwest Minnesota between late Tuesday through and Thursday, with a lesser chance, 10 to 30% within west central Minnesota. Weather Service says possibility extremely difficult to impossible travel from blizzard conditions. Significant snow accumulations and significant drifting can be expected in areas under a large swath of heavy snow. Still uncertainty in locations that will see the highest impacts. However, there is growing confidence that all areas will see at least minor to moderate snow impacts. You can see in the red here the worst of it on this map, potential for at least 12 inches of snow. The potential for these near blizzard conditions, high confidence of heavy snow 6 inches or greater will occur. Gusty sustained winds of 35 miles per hour and over are expected. Significant travel impacts are anticipated. Near blizzard to blizzard conditions. So when's all this going to happen? Well, the Weather Service says we can expect the worst of it basically from across the region, Grand Forks, across the valley, Grand Forks, Fargo, Devils Lake, Hallock, Fergus Falls. The worst of it in the dark colors here. Wednesday, the beginning of it, 6 a.m. Through 12 p.m. on beginning Wednesday, lasting through 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. on Thursday. Beginning Tuesday afternoon, all areas will see impacts through at least Friday morning, with the highest impacts expected Wednesday and Thursday. There is a low confidence in location of highest impacts or when impacts will subside. Be prepared for extremely difficult to impossible travel conditions. Yahoo! Again, the possibility of blizzard or near blizzard conditions on the way again this week. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.